Hi guys, this is Sadek from Dwarben.com, and in this video, we'll show you how to install the latest iOS 18 update on your iPhone. At the time of recording, the update is still in a beta or the developer stage, so it might have a few bugs and issue. So please take a backup of all the data on your phone and then let's get started. As you might be aware, earlier you should have a Apple developer profile, and that developer profile was very costly. For example, in case of INR, Indian currency, we had to shell out around 8,700 rupees every year. However, as of now, you don't have to use any Apple developer account whatsoever. You could easily install the update without any account as such. But still, what you might want to do is at least add your account to the Apple developer profile, and then just simply don't make a purchase. Just add and link your account with the Apple developer profile, and once that is done, simply you may install the update. Let me show you how. So go to my guide, and from my guide I will link the guide in the description. Open the Apple developers app, and from there install the Apple developer app. Tap on open, then you will be taken to the discover tab. So go to the account tab, and from here you will have to start off with the enrollment. In my case, I've already done most of the enrollment. In your case, you will have to start the enrollment from scratch. So tap on start the enrollment, and then enter your name, ID, address, phone number, everything else. Once you have entered everything and you are at the last stage will show you the subscription fee. Simply tap on cancel. So with this, we have linked our account, the Apple ID account, with the Apple developer account, but we haven't made any purchase. You don't have to make any purchase whatsoever. Simply link the account. Once you have linked the account, you will have to wait for a couple of seconds or a couple of minutes. Once that time frame has elapsed, go to the settings menu, and from the settings menu you have to go to the general, then go to software update. After that, go to the beta update, and as you could see, I have now got the iOS 18 developer beta. Simply I have to choose it, and after that the update will be downloaded and installed onto my phone in just a few moments. So guys, the only thing that you have to keep in mind is that you will have to link your Apple account with the Apple developer profile. Once you do so, you will then get the update, and then you may now download and install the update either right now or update tonight later on. That's completely your choice. The only thing to keep in mind is that you have to link your account with the Apple developer profile, but please do not make any purchase whatsoever. It's completely free to carry out. You just have to link your account, then go to the settings menu, general, software update, then under the beta update you will see the iOS 18 beta. Choose it and then go back, and the update will be right there in front of you. So guys, on that note, I round off this video. If you have any queries, do let me know in the comment section, and thanks a lot for watching.